Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can block someone on Snapchat. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problems or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your chats and then select the person that you want to block. So let me just select this person, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this profile and go to the three lines option. Once you're in the three lines option, what you need to do is you need to go to manage friendship. Over here you'll be having this block option. Just press over here and just press on block. Now then the person will be blocked. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.